Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I got here. Oh god. Check out how I made this hair. I used five and a half pack or 5 1/4 or whatever pack. That's what it looks like. Please subscribe and see how I got this hairdo. It's your girl Rosie and welcome to La Rosa. Okay, so today I am making this crochet. I've always wanted to make this since I was pregnant. I'm like, no, I can't handle the heat. You know, I am 6 months post baby. In 2 days I will be 7 months post baby. So we're getting there body wise. I have 2 under 2 and then I have 4 kids in total. Okay, this is the Modern Soft boho. This is the Modern Soft boho box braid. Okay, that's what it is. This is 26 inches. I really wanted like at least 18 inches or 16 inches because of the baby. I'm in for it. But it's a special occasion where I'm dedicating him tomorrow in church and I'm like, okay, let me do something to my hair. Okay, this is color, let me see, what color is this? Does it say color shown is HT honey? Honey. HT honey. Oh god, this accent. It was $10.99 a pack, and this is about 8 pieces over here, 8 pieces over here, and 8 pieces over here. So you guys do the calculation. It's 8, and I just made a mistake. I wanted to buy 8 packs, but I ended up buying 6. The hair I just took out was 6 braids, and it was too big. I'm doomed. If I end up halfway, well, I have to go back tomorrow and get some and finish it up. But I know what to do. I'll start braiding from the front first. So that's what they look like, and let me show you the babies. When I say I have 2 under 2, he is 6 months and almost 7 months, and she is sleeping. She is 20 months old. Look how tall she is. 2 under 2 is no joke. Hi. Alright, say bye-bye. They look like twins. 20 months old, almost 7 months old. She's almost 2 years. Look at, I've had this. This is even, oh man, it doesn't even fit anymore. Look. I've had this since before I got pregnant with baby number 2. Now 4 kids later, my clothes, and this is not intentional, so it's not good. I have to check my weight. Okay. Thank you so much, everybody. Please subscribe if you haven't at this point. Now that she's sleeping, toddler age, toddler the explorers, I'm gonna have to get something done. The baby is perfect. He doesn't disturb. He's eating and he's just watching Cocomelon. God bless whoever made Cocomelon. Let's go ahead and braid his hair. I will see you shortly. By the time I post this video, I apply some hair lotion. That's why it's like that. By the time I post this video, that baby is probably 1 year old. I've been so lazy to edit the video of when I was pregnant. Just imagine. That's the only project I have, because a lot of them were like 2 hours, hairdo, an hour, and I have to reduce all that to like at least less than 30 minutes. 30 minutes. So by the time I post this one, I'm making. Alright. So I'm gonna fast forward everything so that way I won't look at it and start crying. So since I had, see, it was 6 what do you call it, braids I took out. I think I'll just plait the small ones, then combine them 2 in 1. So it's like probably 10 in the front or 12. I'll see what I can do, but plait them big at the back, because this is not gonna be enough at all. I'll see how it turns out. Anyway, I don't have any special, what do you call it, occasion apart from tomorrow's what do you call it. So I can package it well and then it just work. And as a nurse, I have to pull the hair up anyways. That's what I mean. So now I've got this new growth. Postpartum hair loss is something else. See, if it was curly hair, I wouldn't mind braiding it, you know, not too big, but you know, because the coil crochet will cover it. But with this one, I don't know, I've never done anyone like this. We'll see. I like the challenge. My rosemary mint straightening edge control. Finally, a hair product I'm almost done with. I've had it for 6 months. Alright, I'll finish up the rest. After 1 hour, I'm still halfway through. So this is what I'm doing. I can't see, but hopefully it's not that bad. That's what I'm doing. Stay tuned. And when I'm done, I'll braid the whole thing. Hours or 2 hours plus, 2 hours plus, just 12 cornrows, 12, and then it's 12 2 in 1 technically. Just imagine 2 hours. That's what it always takes me. All right, let's go ahead and crochet this part. Christ, I thought I would have gotten better than this. So sometimes people just braid, like they braid one here and then they meet up with the rest. So I'm also braiding down here, bring it up here, zigzag. So for me, it's not a big deal. I'm just gonna do it like that. So meaning, this is what I have. It's 11 p.m. I work triple shift and then I haven't even rested the whole day and then this. Okay. At some point I had to use what do you call this thing? Pre-stretch hair to hold down my edges because it wasn't, you know, that's why it's like this and this one is like this. Yeah, this is 8 pieces. I don't think this will be enough. So I'm just gonna start with the middle part just to cover it, and then I cover here, and then I'll do the edges, you know, and then the back. I'll just scatter it. So tomorrow, hopefully they open before it's time for church, and then I'll go get it. If not, I better be wearing wigs and go buy another one. I'm not like, let's just start first and see where we are. I don't want it to be full, but I don't know how much it's gonna cover. Okay, please subscribe if you haven't at this point. Sorry about the long video. One pack is finished. I tried to manage it as much as I could. Right there. So one pack. I'm gonna space it out real well. Now on to the next pack. You said what?
You like changing your hair.
Yeah, mom, you have to get creative. You like it?
Yeah.
Thank you, man. We are. I just opened the third box. I have 3 more. So this is what I'm doing so far. So good. Right there. So when I finish covering here all the way, I'll do this one. It is 2:00 a.m. 6 hours later. This is not usually that hard, but I don't know why today is just all of that. It is 2 a.m. so this is what I have left, and I'm tired, so I couldn't continue. I almost couldn't put this, but I didn't want the back here. I didn't want the back to, open. It's still there, but I know myself. I'm never gonna put this on a ponytail. This is the back. I'm never gonna bring up the ponytail. It's already full enough. It's full as it is already. It's too full even. See? I have to do all that. I have to do all that, what do you call it, when I want to shower, that wrapping around and tying around and all that. What do you think? Put some mousse on it and all that. I'm so tired. I didn't want to put this edge control because I'm going straight to sleep. But for the sake of this video, or maybe I'll put the edge control and wrap it up, because I have to wake up in the next 6 hours, at least 6 hours. There was a little bit of interruptions, but not so much. I don't know why. This is. Doing your edges should be the easiest thing to do. I have no idea how to do it properly. Feel free to correct me in the comment section. I got my mousse. I got the hair. Now I just have to turn to a princess, I guess. I don't remember. I got the dress, I got the shoe. Now I something. You got my point. You get the point of the song. Just because it's 2:00 a.m. guys. One of them fell off. Probably one of the one on my front side. So I don't even understand what's going on with all my edge controls. Like this one is like this. It's like I have no ace. My AC is not working. So I think they melted or something. I applied 2 edge control. It's just 2 edge controls. Cream. But it's just like that. So I'll just leave it like that, you guys. I really appreciate you for staying this long. I have to stand up. So that's what it looks like at the back. And the other way. And you can always, flip it, wear it however you want. You can flip your hair, do whatever. If you also want, you can just put it up a little bit. Flick those ones down. You got my point. It's so late. It's been a while. This takes me 6 hours to do. Like, it's been a while I ever had to do crochet for 6 hours. So braiding natural hair is not easy. 4C hair, not just natural hair. Okay, you guys, thank you so much for watching. The kids are sleeping. I'm so glad they were taken care of because I was so busy here. Okay, remember to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video, please, as usual. If you're a brand and you need me to review your products, let me know. I'll say thank you so much for staying tuned with La Rosa. I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Baby La Hot. Ooh. Sexy mama of 4. Is that? Oh, yeah, it's me. Alright. 1 month later, or about 1 month and 1 week later, I'm taking it down. My edges. Look at this. Is what my braid looked like at the back. But the hair itself was very easy to take down. Just like that. It took me about 15 minutes to take down all of this. These are the coils. It's still there. And I didn't even maintain it that much. I only applied mousse like 2 times or so. Okay, bye for real this time.